Curious about the 2025 Mini Cooper's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, minimalist design with premium materials and haptic touch controls for a futuristic feel. The 2025 Mini Cooper features a dedicated head-up display that projects essential driving data, like speed, navigation cues, and alerts, onto a transparent screen directly in the driver's line of sight. This non-cellular display works separately from the central infotainment system, ensuring you get real-time information without distraction. It features a minimalist interior centered around a 9.4-inch circular OLED touchscreen that serves as both the infotainment system and instrument cluster. This design eliminates the traditional gauge cluster, offering a clean and modern aesthetic. It features a dual-zone automatic climate control with a built-in charcoal filter for enhanced air quality and personalized comfort. Its intuitive system automatically adjusts the temperature, airflow, and distribution to maintain a consistently pleasant cabin environment. The 2025 Mini Cooper ICE is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 that produces 161 horsepower, while the higher performance Mini Cooper S boosts output to 201 horsepower with 221 pound-feet of torque. Both models pair this engine with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission for smooth and responsive driving. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, transmission failure warning light, brake warning light, brakes overheated warning light, low voltage battery charge warning light, battery charge low warning light, door open warning light, drowsy driver detection warning light, electric power steering fault, seat belt reminder, service electrical system, 400-volt traction battery fail, high voltage coolant, low warning light, keyless start system failure, anti-lock brake system, warning light, active driving assist fail, active lane management warning light, electric park brake, warning light, brakes overheated warning light, electronic stability control active warning light, electronic stability control off warning light, low washer fluid warning light, service active lane management warning light, service adaptive cruise control, warning light, service forward collision, warning light, tire pressure monitoring system, warning light, traction battery cutoff, warning light, traffic sign recognition, fault warning light, forward collision warning, off indicator light, active lane management indicator light, parking headlights on indicator light, ready to drive indicator light, turn signal indicator lights, high beam indicator light, auto high beam indicator light on, risk of collision, pedestrian warning, drive-off support, speed limit assistant.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.